we are going to align a plane. So we've got it what looks to be pretty close. So we are going to swivel up to these coordinates. So there's the coordinates. Now we bring the probe out and we are going to take 3 points on the measure workpiece, align plane, set the work offset, feed rate at 100, and we hit cycle start. We take 1 point there, we move over a ways in X, we take another point there, then we move up in Y and come back a little ways in X, then we take our 3rd point. Now we jog the probe to a place where it can't be hit if things decide to move. We come back here and we've got our 3 points saved right there, and we hit set work offset. And we're going to say OK to activate the work offset. And now it's going to, do we want to set the probe perpendicular to the plane through swiveling? Yes. So it says press NC start. We're going to press NC start, and the machine is going to move. The probe is going to end up perpendicular to the plane that we just set. So now we were only close. So now if we look at our offset, we've got those rotations in G57. So now if we go back to manual, we go back to our swivel, we try for these 118 and minus 68. We let it swivel again. And it comes back. But this time when it swivels to that spot, it's going to also compensate with the fixture offset and move a little further. So now we end up with these rotations, which are very, very close to 120 and 70. So now we're going to go back to measure workpiece, and we're just going to do a single edge. And we are just going to do some checking. Now we told it to swivel to 118 and 68 after we told it to compensate for the misalignment of the plane. So now if we bring our probe out and we just check to see if that plane is square, we're going to measure only right there, and we measure 932 and 8. Now we're going to move down and we're going to probe again, and 932 and 8. Now we're going to slide over closer to us, probe again, and 932 and 7. So 1/10 different, and we go away from us and take another one there, and 932 and 7. So we told it to align the plane, and it did. When we went back to that position, it asked us to go to that spot. We sent it back there in the swivel cycle, and it compensated with the offset that it obtained when we checked it, and took us almost exactly to where we wanted it to be.